This is how I could use design to create icons and little graphics, but what happens when I want to do something a little bit larger? Let me switch back to design, and let's open that other file in your project folder. This time, I'm going to open the glasses. Now the glasses, these are one large piece, and I want to turn this into a complete user experience. So I need to export my document, this time as a canvas. I'm going to export it to my desktop again. And this time, under the document format, I'm going to switch over to export as a canvas. Now, design uses text elements a little bit different from Blend, so if I had some text elements and they looked odd, I could export them and flatten the paths so they look a little bit better in Blend. However, since there's no text elements in my scene, I don't need to change this option. I can just leave it where it is. I'm going to export, and now I'm going to switch back over to Blend. I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to call this Glasses. It's first asking me if I want to save my changes to the previous document. Yeah, in case I want to go back, I'm going to say yes. Now I've got my new project ready, I need to add my canvas. So once again, I'm going to go to my project, right-click, add an existing item, and select my glasses. Let me double-click that canvas and take a look at how it looks. Design and Blend use a little bit of a different scale when it comes to the elements, so my glasses are rather large here. I'll fix that once I move it over to my window. I need to copy the entire canvas, so I'm going to right-click it in the timeline, copy it, and then switch back to window1.xaml and paste it here. Okay, now this is way too large to be worked with. I'm going to group this into a view box so I can adjust the size. I'm just going to right-click my canvas, group into, and select my view box. Now I'm going to hold down Control to zoom out so I can see everything I'm trying to work with, and I'm going to resize until my sunglasses are about the right size. I'm going to hold down the Shift key to maintain my aspect ratio. Also, I want to move it up to the top, since I don't need all that dead white space at the top of my application. There, this is looking a little bit better, but let me resize the window so it fits a little closer. Okay, now my window is set up. I want to change a couple properties on it because I don't want the title bar and all the white. So let me just switch to my properties. My window's already selected, and I'm going to switch to Allow Transparency. I'm then going to strip the border off the background, so now I've just got these glasses. They're transparent all around. I can press F5, and now I've taken that design that Jesse created for me in Design and just drop it out in the middle of my desktop.